Okay. Oh my God. I was bass fishing and I was jigging inside some logs and I got a muskie on him. So yeah, this is how you do it. You bass fish for a muskie. I don't even have a net. Oh my God. And there you have it. Did you see that? He's gonna come up again. I got 8-pound test on. Again, I was just jigging it. I am so not prepared for this. Oh boy. Oh man. Sorry. Come on, big fella. Get up the surface. Here he comes again. He does not like... Oh, no, no, now it's wrapped on him. I gotta try it out. Yeah, I'm sorry. You can't see. He's sitting right there. Can you see him? On a bass jig. Little, tiny, tiny bass jig. Bass fishing! Oh man. Okay, hopefully it'll come up this time and I can net him. This ain't the net for this, but little small. Oh no, we ain't done yet. Okay. You guys getting a lot of this? Good. That's good. Okay, here it comes. Okay. Come on. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Come on, head first. All right, curl up, curl up, curl up, curl up. Oh, God, darn it, this is not the net for this. There we go. All right, buddy. All right. Yeah, that's how you do it, bass fishing. Oh, shoot, there's a guy on shore and he's rooting me on. Whew, okay. Now you can watch the fiasco that's gonna unravel right here. Okay. Man, oh man. Oh, I'm trying to keep, come on, buddy. Oh, come on. Oh, I'm gonna get jacked up, I know it. Oh, he's got a gill coming out and that's got teeth on it. Not good. That's gonna get me all jacked up. Ouch. God darn it. Hooks and teeth everywhere. All right, GoPro. Can you get over this? There you go. Oh my life. I'm trying to get him back in the water. I really am. That's too long of a fight on 8-pound test. All right. There you go. There you go. Big old dandy. I'm going to lay him across the kayak. My kayak is 32. It's probably about 4 to 6 inches longer than that. So there you go. Hope you can. I'm going to let it go. Nice and easy here. Hopefully. And we'll get. Come on, big fella. Oh yeah, I think she's all ready to go already. Just kind of working the tail, letting it get its breather in. Hopefully you can see her. All right. I think it's good. You good to go? Yeah? This is bass fishing, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. All right. All right. Come on, girl. Take off, take off, take off. No surface fishing, no surface. Come on. Come up on it again just in case if I have to rework it. I mean, it's cruising, it's doing its thing, it's probably just fatigued. But I think it's gonna be just fine. A little bit cut up, but not bad. Yeah, she's going down. All right. Cool beans. I don't know what you can see, but she's going back down. Well, there. That was kind of cool, huh? All right. I'm going to clean up everything and get back to fishing. I got to work my way back to the other end of this river system. That's fun. That made the day right there. Very cool. 8-pound test, little creature bait that I made. Yeah. All right, everyone take care. GoPro, stop recording.